This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda.emanuel. Welcome to this charming rancher located in North Suffolk and near the Harbour View Shopping / Eateries. A short commute to nearby military base and a fenced-in yard provide something for all to enjoy. The open floor plan and design allows decorating to be a breeze. The added bonus of an attached garage is perfect for parking your car or extra storage space. This home offers 3 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom and 1 half bathroom. For more information, review the details below.